Hello everyone, today I'm with my new friend and we are headed somewhere fun. So join us on our journey and see if you can solve the mystery of our destination. Leave your theories down in the comment. So first of all, I would like to introduce my new friend Cheki, aka Cheki. We became the fast friends. She is a charming and amazing friend. We left Mongar at 6 a.m. but the destination is sacred. Coming here always mean one thing, waiting. Today it was the bus turn to keep us on our toe, but afterward felt like an eternity. We heard it, and let me tell you that it was a satisfying sight to see.
And this is Tashigang town. And Ma'am Chiki is walking here. Ma'am Chiki. Yes, Ma'am Chiki. Let's go to the parlor.
Looks like your guess is right. We have been traveling from Mongar to Tashikam. We explored the town and several beautiful surrounding villages. It is such a beautiful place. After a long and tiring day, the peace of mind I felt brought a much needed sense of relief. We then decided to go to Cheki's house. Following the great moment with the Cheki family, we had a breakfast the next morning before departing from Tashikam to continue our journey.
एक थाली खा गया नम्ची म फ्राइड राइस अनि जोई दिले अनि मोमो.
Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to see the more content like this, please subscribe and be another new friend. And with that, I'll say adventure await for you.